it's Mrs. Bellatash, and today is our last day on motion and matter, which was our first unit. And as a way to kind of like wrap it all up, I'm going to do a crossword puzzle with you. I love crossword puzzles. I can't do the weekend New York Times edition because that's very, very hard, but I like to do the New York Times crossword puzzle during the week, which is a little easier, right? So anyway, this crossword puzzle has everything to do with our last unit. So what I would like you to do is open up your science notebook, go to the next page, put the date at the top. We always do that. And when I say one down, one across, you're going to make a list of the down words and the across words. And you're just going to list them down there. I'm going to tell you the clue. Before I give you the answer, I want you to write down a word. And then I'll write in the correct word in the crossword puzzle. It is totally okay if you make a mistake. Making mistakes is part of learning. So I want you to try to guess the word, and then after I tell you the word, you can either put a check, like, yay, I got it right, or you could cross it out and write the correct word. All right, let's go. All right, boys and girls, we are going to get started. You're going to start with the down clues. So in your notebook, you're going to write down and then number one. We're going to start with number one over here. And the first clue is a group of things or parts that form a whole. A group of things that form a whole. It starts with an S. It is system. So a system is a group of things that work together. A system. Okay, number two down, right here. And it says not clear. Now, a lot of times we have used the word opaque, and opaque would fit there, but I think the word that they're talking about is more to do with weather. If it's not clear outside, it might be cloudy. Cloudy. Okay, now number four. I'm over here, number four. The standard metric unit for mass. We used the balance scale to measure mass, and we used what? Grams. Gram. Alrighty. Next, to hang in a liquid or gas. Number five, it's right here. Now, sometimes we might do this. We might hang something from the ceiling. And it would look like it's like just maybe hanging in the middle of the air. That word is, starts with an S, suspend. Suspend. Okay, number six, right here. A mixture formed when one substance dissolves in the other. So, we talked about mixtures and solutions. It's a solution. Okay, number seven down. Solid, liquid, and gas are blanks of matter. Number seven down. So we can call them forms of matter or states of matter. States of matter. Number eight down. Here it is. Number eight down. A person who designs ways to accomplish a goal or solve a problem. I think we did something where we talked about this people who solve problems. It's a special kind of professional. Not a scientist. Scientists ask questions. This is an engineer. Okay. Number 10. Something that is clear. It's a very long word. Something that is clear is transparent. transparent. Okay, number 12 down. The process in which materials interact and form new materials. So last week, so here's number 12. Last week we put baking soda and vinegar together. And we said it was a chemical reaction. All right. Number 14 down. The act of moving. Right here. The act of moving is motion. All right. Number 16 down. 16 down. The standard metric unit for length or distance. So this is the problem in the United States. We're backwards. We use miles and we use inches and feet, but the rest of the world uses meter. Okay, number 19 down. Matter that has a definite shape. 19 down. Where is 19 down? There it is. So remember, there are three types of matter. Liquids pour and flow. Gases always expand. Which type of matter keeps its own shape? Solids. Solid, liquid, and gas. Number 22. When magnets push apart, they repel. Excellent. Okay, so we finished all of the downwards. Now we're going to move on to the across word. So in your science notebook, write the word across, and then the first number that we're going to do across is the space occupied by an object is its, so where's 3? It's over here. So it is its volume. How much space something takes up is its volume. Not how loud it is, although that's another meaning, but volume, how much space something takes up. Number 4, matter that is shapeless and expands to fill a container. Okay, it's over here, and it starts with a G. It is a gas. Excellent. Number 9 across. Matter that flows and take the shape of its container. Number 9 across is right here. It is a liquid. All right. Number 11 across. 2 or more substances stirred together. Number 11 across. Where is 11 across? 12. Where is 11 across? I'm having a hard time finding 11 across. Oh, you know what? It's because I covered it up. So it starts with an M. It's a mixture. And remember, a solution is a special type of mixture. Number 13 across. The force that pulls everything towards Earth's center. And it is pulling on you right now. It's gravity. All right. Number 15 across. A tool used to measure mass. I used it. I didn't have enough to send home, but I used it to measure the mass of things. It was a balance scale. Whoops, NC. Balance scale. Okay. Number 16 across. A measure of how much matter is in an object. Number 16 across. Where is 16? 16. Okay. It is its mass, right? When we use the balance scale, we are measuring mass. Number 17. 17 across. Right here. What happens when salt and water mix? Remember, it makes a solution, and what does the salt do? The salt dissolves. Okay. Number 18, when magnets pull together. When magnets pull together, they attract. They attract. Number 19, a tool used to measure a volume of liquid. Oh, this was a fun thing to use. I wish I could have sent enough home for everybody. Number 19 across is right here. Starts with an S, a syringe. Okay. 20, a push or a pull. They are forces. Number 21. When one force is stronger than another, the forces are unbalanced. Number 23. The standard metric unit for volume. Number 23. Where is number 23? Right over here. It is a liter. Liter. And the last one, number 24, an attribute of an object, such as size, shape, or texture. It is the properties. Excellent job, guys. All right, Cougars, I had a fun time doing that crossword puzzle. I wish I could do it with you in person. Oh, I want to be able to see you guys again soon. Our next unit is going to start next week, and it's going to be all about weather and climate, which is kind of a great time to do it, right? Because we're going to be going into the winter months. All right, I'll see you next week, Cougars.